guys, how y'all doing today? I decided to do another video. I decided to go to Whataburger. Whataburger. See, I don't know if y'all have it in your area or not, but it's actually pretty good. I got onion rings. If y'all can see them, look how pretty they look. And I got a fish burger, just with tartar sauce. I don't like all the other stuff they put in it. I don't like cheese inside of it or anything. So yeah, and I'm just getting regular ketchup. So how's everybody doing? How's everybody's day going? As for me, I felt like time was going by slow again. Not even because I didn't sleep good last night. I was watching this show on Netflix called Slasher. It's a good show. I mean, don't think it's not, but it's a really good show. It's just, you know, a lot of killings and murders and stuff like that on there. And I guess I fell asleep and I woke up all freaked out because I thought somebody was here, and I'm like, oh my god. Dogs started barking whenever I woke up, so I had to get up and go check it out. So yeah, I just freaked myself out. Who wants a bite? But look at these onion rings. Oh my god, to die for. So yeah, if anybody is looking for something good to watch on Netflix, I suggest Slasher. Slasher is a good movie, good show. I really did like it. I haven't finished it yet, but I think tonight I'll probably finish watching it. My husband has to go to work again tonight, so yeah, that's what me and my babies are gonna do tonight. We're gonna eat this, clean up, and then go and watch the rest of that show. It got pretty interesting. It's kind of weird how it takes a turn, but I'll leave y'all in suspense about it. And I just say it's a 2 thumbs up if y'all want to go watch it. Come on now. I know you want to go check it out. Just go look at the previews of it. Y'all like it. I don't like TV series like that. I'd rather see like a full-length movie. But actually this one is pretty good. I like the broken ones better. I wish they had like a place here around here. Knock it off. That had onion rings that were like cut up like little bites instead of having the whole ring. I think that would be cool. Maybe I should make my own. I should make my own one day and let y'all look at it and see how I make it and how, you know, how they come out. Give these kids a little piece because they are all so spoiled. But anyways, yeah, I was at work today, and it was like, all of a sudden, I started feeling a little sick and like a little jittery, and I was like, shoot, what's really going on? Can y'all believe I forgot to take my medicine today? My body lets me know whenever I need to take it, because my nose starts running. It's like my body's trying to tell myself, hello, did you forget something today? So yeah, I had to go and take my medicine before I started freaking. My husband has his TV so loud over there in the room. He ain't even awake. He's still asleep. So he's still asleep. I went to go get us something to eat real quick. Today's Thursday. Usually on Thursdays, on paydays, we usually buy something. Like one day off for me. Like this weekend, it'll probably be my weekend off. Because usually when we get paid, it's usually my weekend off. Unless I feel like cooking. So if I feel like cooking, I'll cook. If not, my husband don't mind, because he knows that I cook every freaking day. Always cooking. So yeah, that's me. I was gonna ask. I know some of y'all like whenever I burp. Who, or not who, but when somebody does a video, a mukbang, and they smack, do y'all like looking at that kind of stuff? I mean, I'm trying to get some ideas on, you know, what to do. So I'm just wondering. Coke. I'm just wondering, you know, maybe I should I start doing that? Or is the burping just fine? I mean, let me know. I'm just curious about that. Yeah, I used to be a wild person. I used to drink 24/7. And now it's like, I don't do nothing like that anymore. It was like a little, oh, sorry, enough. Get it. It was like a little light switch that just turned off, like told me, hey, you don't need to be doing that no more. Wait, Gandalf. Oh my God, there's stories I can tell you. I'm not like the mean kind of drunk. I'm like the happy, funny, silly drunk that, just, I'm not mean. I'm not an angry drunk. I mean, I like, when I would drink, I always had fun. Wow. Excuse me. So, yeah. Yeah, I'm not that person anymore. You know how they say that? Oh, they're like, oh, you changed. And I'm like, what are you talking about? I never changed. I haven't changed. And they're like, well, you don't go out and party no more. You don't hang out with nobody no more. That's one thing. I never hung around certain people. Or like, let's see. When I would go out, I didn't have like a set of friends that I would go out with and go hang out with. I didn't have anybody like that. I mean, because you never can trust. You can't trust anybody. So, stop. So, it's kind of hard to say, oh, I'm a guy with so-and-so, but yet, you can't trust that person. Even though you know them for years and years. People change. And, they can backstab you. They could talk about you. They act like they're your BFFs, and they're not. I mean, yeah, some people. Some people just like, when they say, why don't you go out again? Why don't you do this anymore? I don't do none of that stuff because, for one, I'm in a relationship. I don't have to be out drinking, going to bars or anything like that. If I want to do that, I can go with my husband or boyfriend or whatever it is at the time, Like right now, it's my husband. So, but like, if, so anyways, like I was saying is, you can have friends, or I can have friends, but they'll never be close. They'll be friends, and it'll just stay like that. And friends talk about friend stuff, not about relationships or like my relationship or anything. They don't have to know my business, All they need to know is I'm in a relationship, and that's it. Now, if I was in one, that'd be a totally different story. Just say that I wasn't in this relationship, and I was single. I probably would be going to the bars right now. I would have a group of friends, but I would never go with them to the bar, or go, or anywhere, a club, whatever it is. I've learned my lesson. I will never go with them. I will actually go myself in my own vehicle. And if I know I'm driving, I won't drink. But I can still have fun not drinking. So yeah. But once you stop drinking, It like changes you a little. I mean, makes you it opens your eyes when you're not drinking. Because when you're drinking, it's just like there's a cloud over you, and you're just worried about, hey, I'm gonna go drinking, I'm gonna go meet this person, that person, you know, whatever. But when you're not drinking, that cloud's not over your head, and you're like, you can think straight. You know what's going on. You know what's right, what's wrong. But when you're drinking, it's like, oh, fuck it, I'm gonna go. Oh, excuse my language. It's like, oh, I'm just gonna go do this and that. You know, you never know what can happen. So yeah. I got a clear mind now. That's the way that I will keep it. I don't want to change it for nobody. Nobody would ever be trying to change me. There's this one time whenever, it's been years back. A friend of mine was like, hey, let's go to the club, let's go eat, let's go do this. Okay, yeah, sure, come pick me up. Friends. Not friends with benefits, nothing like that. Friends. It would never be nothing like that. We go eat, go to a club in the next town, and having fun. You know, dancing, drinking. At the time I was drinking. I saw a friend of mine. Worst decision of my life. Now, back then, I saw this friend of mine. The other person, I couldn't find them. They were in the club, didn't know where they went. That person was like, hey, you want to get out of here? What y'all think? Oh yeah, let's go. I was going to say a bad word, but I'm not. I don't say nothing to my friend. I just leave. Can you believe the person called my mom, went to my mom's house, waited till I got home, never got home. I never went home until the next day. All worried about me. Didn't know what happened to me. At the time, I thought it was like, I laughed it off. I thought it was funny. You know, oh, this dude's over here waiting for me at my house. I didn't snap. Hey, he cared. He went to my mom, and my mom was all mad. My mom was pissed. My mom was like, you better find my daughter. You better find out where she's at. You need to go get her. He's like, I don't know where she's at. I don't know what happened. We were together last night and went to the club, and I don't know what happened to her. Worst decision of my life was to leave. Now, I realize that. Then, I was drinking. I was having fun. I was like, F it. I'm just gonna do whatever. Whatever's clever, you know. got home about 4 the next day, 3, 4 o'clock the next day. My mom told me what had happened. My mom told me what happened next day with that guy. I thought it was sweet. Now I know, I realize he was just worried about me, worried about my welfare, you know, making sure that I didn't get hurt. I see that person every once in a while. And I feel so bad that I did that. I never go anywhere with them no more. But I felt like crap after that happened. Because I should have never done that. Because I went there with that person and I left with somebody else. Hello. I was young. I was dumb. Shit happens, you know. So, sorry guys, my nose is running. Always runs. I don't know why. Right as soon as I get on camera, my nose runs. At work, right as soon as I walk out the door to the warehouse, my nose runs. Right as soon as I walk in work, my nose runs. It doesn't matter. Walk outside, my nose runs. Bull. Bunch of bull. But anyways, oh, I don't know if anybody's ever heard of these. Wortman holiday treats. These are so good. I really do love these cookies. They are awesome. I love cookies. I love shortbread cookies. I love all kinds of cookies. But I love these. I love Christmas cookies. There's a different bag that looks like this one, but it has like little sprinkles. I don't think it's the same bag. They have it every year for Christmas. Different shapes. It's not these shapes. There is like Christmas tree, a wreath, because that's a pretzel looking guy. It's like this, a wreath, and I think a reindeer. Excuse me. And something else. It's not like this one, but these are good. They also have like little shortbread cookies, about a box like that long. But if I were y'all, try these. Remember, that's the place. You can buy them at any local grocery store. I mean, if they have it in your area. I know H-E-B carries them, so yeah, they're good. They're a little hard though, but I like them like that. I can't open them. Oh, I forgot I had to use the scissors yesterday. Where did I open it? I opened the wrong side. Oh, look. It opened on the side. Hey, you dum-dum. You weren't supposed to open right there. Look at that. Look at this. It opened on the side. It busted on the side. So, I guess I have to put it in a little Ziploc bag. Anyways. Ooh, they smell so good. This is what they look like. They're good. I like them. I'm done with my food. trying the bottom. They're real good. And they'll put them in milk. Oh, I bet you that would be so good. I'm gonna have to try that. Let it sit for a minute in the milk and then drink it or eat it with a spoon. Oh, I'm getting chills just thinking about it. Anyways, guys, I guess that's the end of my video. I'm full already. So remember, if y'all want me to do anything else, just let me know. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share my videos wherever, anywhere, just share them. Don't forget to comment below, and whenever you're watching this, I don't know if it's going to be in the morning, the evening, the night, lunchtime, whenever you're watching this, I hope you're having an awesome time, and I hope y'all stay blessed, stay positive, don't let anybody bring you down. And yeah, that's the end of my video. Bye.